If you want to learn how to crochet this gorgeous choker and you are also a beginner, this video is for you. Hey everyone, this is Wonder's channel. Welcome to another jewelry tutorial using simple crochet methods and techniques. And to support us, don't forget to like this video please. For this sample, I used a lace yarn and a 0.85mm hook. However, for the tutorial, I'm using a thicker yarn with the size of 4 or medium and a bigger hook with the size of 4.5. Start with 58 chains. In each of the first 8 chains, make 1 single crochet. In the next chain, 3 single crochet. In each of the next 8 chains, 1 single crochet. Skip 3 chains, and again in each of the next 8 chains, 1 single crochet. And in the next chain, 3 single crochet. Eight single crochet in the next 8 chains, skip 3 chains, 8 single crochet in the next 8 chains. and repeat this till the end of this row. Now add the other yarn. One chain. Turn the work around. In the back loops of the next 2 stitches, push the hook and pull the yarn out, and do that again for the second time. Now we have 3 loops over the hook. Now pull the yarn out through all these loops at once, and that's our first single crochet. Now in the back loops of each of the next 7 stitches, 1 single crochet. And overall, we have 8 single crochet stitches, including the first one. In the next stitch, 3 single crochet. Eight single crochet in 8 stitches. Skip 2 stitches, 8 single crochet in 8 stitches, three single crochet in the next stitch, eight single crochet in 8 stitches, skip 2 stitches, and 8 single crochet in 8 stitches. Three single crochet, now again for the end of the work, 7 single crochet, now for the next 2 stitches, push the hook and pull the yarn out, push the hook and pull the yarn out, and we have 3 loops on the hook. Now pull the yarn out through all these loops at once. And that's our last single crochet. And you can repeat these rows as many as you want. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.